Class 4th. Today we are going to start a new chapter, multiplications, chapter number 3. Today I will teach you how we can do multiplication by one digit number. See students, I take an example 1, 2, 4, 8 multiply by 9. Now read the table 9 up to 8. 9 8s are 72. Now 2 is there and 7 is going to be there from a carry place. 9 4s are 36 and what is there? There is a 7. Now it becomes a 43. Now 3 is there and 4 is there. 9 2s are 18 plus 4, that is 22. Now 2 goes to there and this 2 goes to there. 9 2s are 9 1s are 9. 9 1s are 9 plus 2. What's come? 11. Now 11 is there. It's a very easy. Now come on a second question. 3 1 3 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9. There is no carry. 3 3s are again 9 and 9 goes to there. 3 1s are 3 and 3 comes to there. 3 3s are 9 and 9 comes to there. Now come on a next question. 4 1 3 8 multiply by 5. 5 8s are 40. Now 0 is there and 4 goes to there. 5 3s are 15 plus 4 is 19. 15 plus 4 is 19 and 9 goes to there and 1 goes to there. Now 5 1s are 5 and plus 1 which is equals to 6. 6 goes to there. Now there is no carry. 5 4s are 20 and we take a 20. This is your answer. It's a very easy. Now come on a second type, multiplication by a two-digit number. See students, in there is a one number is given for multiplications. Here is one number for given multiplication. Now we will discuss two numbers when the two numbers are given. Now first of all, 2 8s are 60. Now 6 is there, goes to there and 1 is carry. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus there is 1, that is 9. Now there is 9. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12 but there is no carry. So we 2 goes to there and 1 goes for carry. And 2 1s are 2 plus 1 which is equals to 3. Now when we are going to on a second number, we take a 0 here. Okay. Now 8 2s are 16. 16 16 6. Now again 1. 1 is carry, you can take up. Okay. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 2s are 12 and there is 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Now after that we plus it. 6 plus 0 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. 1 for carry. 2 plus 9 11 plus 1 12. 3 plus 2 6 plus 1. 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6 and 3 is there. This is your answer. I will explain you one question more. Like 5 0 7 9 multiply by 49. Now see students, 9 9s are 81. Now 1 is goes there and 8 is there, right? 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 8, that is 8 9 10 11 71. Now 1 is there and 7 is there. 4 0 when we multiply, 9 multiply by 0. When we multiply any number with 0, we get a 0 and 1 for carry. And 9 5s are 45. After that 4 9s are 36. Now 6 goes to there and 3 for carry. Now 4 7s are 28 plus 3. 28 plus 3, that is 31. Now 1 is there and 3 is there. 4 0 0 plus 3, that is 3, and 4 5s are 20. After that add it 1. You can take a cross or you can take a 0 here. 1, 7 plus 6 is 13. Now 1 is carry. 1 plus 2 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. And there is 2. So this is the second type. Try to solve these two exercise. 3.3 from of a exercise. 3.3 exercise from a chapter multiplication. Student, in the first exercise we discussed with multiply with one digit number. In the second exercise we discussed with the two numbers, multiplicate with two numbers. Now we discuss multiplicate with the three number. And one thing must be remembered, that in first term there is just only 1 to 10 questions in your syllabus, right? Now see how to multiply with three digits number. See students, like there is a question 804 multiplied 285. First of all, you have to multiply this whole term with 5, after that with 8, and after that with 2. This whole term, okay? Now how do we start? First of all, hide these two numbers, and you see there is only a one number. Now 5 4s are 20. Now 2 is there and 2 is for carry. 5 0 0 0 plus 2 is 2. Now there is 2. 5 8s are 40. 40 is there. Now come on a second. When we goes on a second digit, student apply their 0 or apply their cross, and it means that you must be leave first column. When we are going to third column, then you must be two column leave, right? Or you put a sign of cross. 8 4s are 32. 2 is there and 3 is for carry. Now 8 0 0 plus 3 is 3. 8 5s are 40. 8 8s are 64. Now 64 is there. Now again multiply with 2. 4 2s are 8. 2 0 0. 8 2s are 16. After that you plus this 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 for carry. 4 plus 4 8 plus 1 9. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. This is your answer. Now come on a second question. 575 multiplied by 349. Now first of all multiply 9 with 5. 9 5s are 45. 5 is there. 4 for carry. 9 7s are 63 plus 4 7. 9 5s are 45 plus 6, that is 51. Now 4 5s are 0. 4 7s are 28 plus 2 is 30. 0. 5 4s are 20 plus 3 is 23. And 3 5s are 15. 5 is there. 1 for carry. 3 7s are 21 plus 1 22. 2 for carry. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17. After addition we get this. Now students, come on a 3.4. 3.4 is very easy. When we multiply with any terms, when we get a 0, when we multiply by 0, so 27 multiply 0 is 0. 0 multiply 1824 is 0. Now what is there? So which number we multiply so that we get the same answer? 2955. We must be multiplied by 1, then we get a same answer. Now see which term is missing there. 33 is missing there. Now there is 719. You can solve these questions by yourself. Now when we multiply by 10 or zeros, what we get? First of all, 1 multiply by 10, if we put a 1 0, there is we put a 1 0, and 14 multiply 3 is 42. This is your answer. You can solve it these are a very easy sum like this. 1 2 5 0 multiply by 10, you put just only a 1 0. there is multiply by 1000, you just put 3 zeros. It's a very easy, so you can solve it. Now come on a 3.5. Students, in the 3.5 there is just only a 5 question in your syllabus, so I will tell you about these questions. First question is, man earns rupees 5155 per month. How much will he earn in 25 months? See student, in a 1 month he earn money 5155, but how in 25 months he earns, how many money he earns in the 25 month? So we must be multiply. Man earns money in 1 month is this, and in 25 months multiply these terms and we get answer. Now what is, now see the multiplication. 5 5s are 25. Now 2 is there. 5 5s are 25 plus 2 is 27. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 is 7. 5 5s are 25. Now if 5 2s are 10, 1 4 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. 2 plus 1 3 and 5 2s are 10. After add these terms and we get this answer. Now see question number 2. A book cost is, one book cost is this, then 78 books cost is what? Now cost of one books is 157 and cost of 78 books is 157 multiplied by 78. Students, suppose you goes to market and you have buy a one pen for 5 rupees, right? One pen for 5 rupees and you needs to 2 pen, then its answer is 10. How? Multiply 2 multiply by 5. Same questions, same concept used there. You must be multiply these terms and you get a answer. Now you can multiply this, it's very easy. And come on a third question. A sari cost is rupees 2357. Find the cost of 257 such a sarees. See, cost of one sari is this. Now cost of 257 sari is multiplying these terms. Now see, 7 7s are 49. 9 is there. 4 is there. 5 7s are 35 plus 4 39. 9 is there. 3 is there. Now 7 3s are 21 plus 3 24. Now 4 is there. 2 is there. 7 2s are 14 plus 2 16. Now 5 7s are 35. 5 is there. 3 is there. 5 5s are 25 plus 3 is 25 plus 3 is 28. Now you can solve it. It's very easy. And at last you plus it and you get a answer. Question number 4. A machine manufactures 885 screw daily. How many screws will manufacturing in 2012? Now daily screw manufacturing is 885. Now we know that in a 2012 days are 366, right? It's a leap year, so it has a 366 years. So now after multiply, you can multiply it and it's a very easy. I solved it, so you can understand it. Now come on, it's easy, you can do it. Come on, last question. If one video game cost is this, find the cost of 78 videos. Now cost of one video is 4175. Now cost of 78 video games. Multiplying these both terms, 4175 multiplied by 78. Now 8 5s are 40, 0, 8 7. After you can solve it or you get an answer. Okay students, with this your third chapter is complete. Try to solve on your copy.